Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dance Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dance Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everybody, you don't know who this already and it's Skilla. So me I said to you, and me have something for showing right here. So it's like, to me, it's a sure sign of volcanic activity within Jamaica. So me I say, this man light fire on top of water and cook it. You see me I say, in my view, this look like a sulfuric river to me. You see me I say to you, or a gas I come from within a sleeping volcano or whatsoever. Who knows? You see me some form of lava thing. Anyways, I'm going to present a video to you. I'm going to look on it and tell me what you think. Leave in a comment, you know, the thing goes, I say, and if you like how I present it to you, just click the subscribe button. You see me I say, I'm in name Skilla, you know. No observe.
Martin, you use a hard belief in Thomas, brother. Look on this rasta. You go looking at me, I go push my foot in the fire, you go hear my back, I fire burn me and I'm behind. Yeah? Ow! Fuck! You see that, brethren? You make fire burn me just because you disbelieve. Now see how man do it? Watch this. Just watch this rude boy. And I watch the man light it. You will see it on the next video because I already video that. Just to show you disbelieve in Thomas. Look on that. This is a fire down to me here a scotch off. The fire road boy. Fire. Just watch this, you know. And look around the water, you know, see no oil spill. Not name oil. I come from it. I watch the man them light this. You can't hold it? Hold it. Watch this, Martin. I'm a rag that to the boss, man. I'm going to knock you out. Give him a rag. It's true. Look on this, Martin. Alright, watch that. You see the man just blew it out? Watch the water out, boy. Watch this. It's a miracle from God, brethren. Believe when you come to Jamaica again, you come here, so Zin. It's alright, my brother. I come here so because of you. Zin. And this is how it is. The fire water. The man then just light the fire and then it's the scientists tell us the sulfur when I cause it to burn. You see how the fire look like a tornado, look at it. This thing is so awesome. Only God, my brother. Only God can do such thing, brother. See this? See this, brother? Look at this. These are signs and wonder, man. Look at this, brother. This is natural something. Fire burn for water. I never see on this in my life, rude boy. Never. Never in my life, brethren. But you just watch this, eh? Anyway, we are going to put away the phone here now and just do it because I there have to fix I up. See? One love, my brother. Peace on earth. God bless. Cool.